Hi there, everyone. Are you tired of finishing your workday with an aching lower back from an unsupportive seat? Welcome back to Cool Product, where we are on a mission to find the best ergonomic office chair to save your posture. Finding the right supportive seating can absolutely transform your daily work routine and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Designed for users who need serious comfort during long shifts, the Merup G701 Ergonomic Office Chair is here to completely elevate your daily office experience. Merup has carefully engineered the G701 to focus deeply on customizable comfort, high adjustability, and incredible durability, making it an excellent upgrade for your home workspace or corporate desk. When you spend 8 or more hours a day sitting at a computer desk, having a piece of furniture that naturally adapts to your unique body is absolutely essential, and this particular model delivers on all fronts to keep you feeling energized. Let us dive right into one of the absolute most important aspects of any good workspace seating, which is the built-in lumbar support. The Merup G701 features a highly advanced adjustable lumbar system that allows the lower back cushion to move both forward and backward, as well as up and down. This incredible range of motion is super useful because it easily accommodates users of all different heights and body types. By letting you find the exact right spot to cradle your lower spine, it actively promotes proper spinal alignment and ensures you maintain a healthy, highly supportive seating posture throughout those extra long work hours. You will definitely feel a massive difference when you are not constantly shifting around in your seat trying to get comfortable. Adding even more to its impressive daily versatility, this chair includes fully adjustable 3D armrests. These are certainly not just your standard rigid armrests that only go up and down. With this clever design, you can easily lift them, move them forward or backward, and even rotate them a full 360 degrees. This gives you the complete freedom to customize the exact angle and position based entirely on your personal comfort and whatever specific task you are working on at the time. Whether you are leaning in closely to type quickly on a keyboard or leaning back to read a thick document, this adaptability perfectly complements the overall ergonomic structure of the Merup G701, making it highly suitable for all kinds of fast-paced work environments. Sometimes you just need to take a quick mental break from your bright computer screen, and that is exactly where the built-in rocking function really shines. The chair allows for a smooth, gentle rocking motion spanning between 90 and 120 degrees. This specific feature actively encourages deep relaxation and dynamic sitting, which is a fantastic way to reduce annoying muscle fatigue during extended periods of highly focused work. Instead of being locked into one rigid, upright position all day long, you can simply lean back, take a deep breath, and instantly relieve the built-up pressure on your spine. Moving down to the base of the chair, reliable stability and smooth movement were clearly top priorities for the design team at Merup. The star base features premium 360-degree rotating casters that roll beautifully across the floor. They operate very smoothly and quietly, meaning you will not annoy your busy coworkers or wake up anyone in your house if you need to slide across your office space to grab a heavy file or a dropped pen. Holding all of this impressive technology together is a remarkably sturdy frame that proudly boasts an official SGS-4 Class 4 certification. This heavy-duty safety certification is crucial because it ensures maximum safety and structural durability for long-term use. You can sit down with total peace of mind knowing the core of the Merup G701 is built to handle intense daily wear and tear without a single problem. Finally, we absolutely have to highlight the fantastic breathability of this modern design. Both the main backrest and the bottom seat of the chair are made from a high-quality mesh material that provides genuinely excellent air circulation. If you tend to run hot or happen to work in a warm environment, this premium breathable mesh will actively help keep you cool, dry, and perfectly comfortable, even during those remarkably long summer working hours. With this clever combination of a thoughtful ergonomic layout, highly customizable moving features, and top-tier quality construction, the Merup G701 Ergonomic Office Chair truly offers a perfectly balanced solution for boosting both your daily productivity and your physical comfort in absolutely any office setting. Are you ready to treat your back to the premium comfort it deserves and dramatically upgrade your daily workspace? Check the price link in the description to find out more information and grab one for yourself today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome finds and helpful workspace guides. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the very next video.